Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subscription website on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see here on your screen, I have here a website that already created. So just create your own website. And in order to add a subscription, just head over and click on this four squares right here, which is the Wix App Market, wherein you can add application. So click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, it will open the Wix App Market that I have told you earlier. So just search in here for subscriptions. So once you have searched in here for subscription, so you can see in here the Wix pricing plan. So click on this one. And then you should be able to sell packages, memberships, and subscription to people who visit your website. So click on add the site right here. And then this will load and this will let this specific app add to your site. So as you can see, it is adding the Wix pricing plans. And once it's done adding, we should be able to see an actual page that is specifically dedicated to the prices of your services. So in here, we can now see this new menu, which is the plan or plans and pricing. And in here, you can choose your pricing plan. So in here, you can also just manage your plan and edit that by clicking on this button right here. To click on that, then once you have clicked on that, this will load this specific window right here, wherein you can see the pricing plans that you can offer to the website visitor of your plan. So in here, you can just scroll down and then you should be able to see the edit on this specific site. So let's scroll down. So in here, you can create reverse plans. Just click on this create plan right here. And then you can put in the plan name. So for example, let's put in here basic. And then in here, you can put in a description, but this is also optional. So in here, you can add the main features. So for example, we can add in 20 hours of courses per month, for example. So it depends on you on what offer you are trying to have. So in here, you can add in a recurring payment or a one-time payment. So for me, I'll just put in a recurring payment of 1,000. So it is 1,000 every month. So the monthly payment frequency is totally dependent on you. It can be weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom. So the length of the plan can be this one. So just choose until canceled. And then we can enable a free trial or charge the setup fee. So you can limit one subscription per customer also. So it totally depends on you what you want to put on this one. So let's click on save right here in order to add our first payment plan. So once this plan has been created, you can also add another plan that is actually better than your first plan. So let's click on create plan right here. And then let's put in here, for example, freemium. And then let's put in here the description and also what is the main features. So let's put in here unlimited access to classes. And then in here, you can put in pricing options. For me, I'll just set up another recurring payment. And then from in there, I will charge 5,000. And then from here, I can put in a payment frequency as well as all of these things right here that I have discussed earlier. Click on save right here. And then in here, once you have done that, you should be able to put in all the mandatory of anything. So click on save. Then in here, as you can see, two plans has been created. So you can now set up payment methods. So once you have set up payment methods, you should be able to receive payments to people who subscribe to your actual plan. So they have here PayPal and actually manual payments. You can also see more payment options in here. You can use Hit Pay, Dragon Pay, and all of these things right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create a web subscription website on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.